It always starts the same way. You're chillin', maybe sipping a suspiciously strong cup of coffee, and someone drops a new CTF challenge in the Discord. It's just a basic web challenge, they say. You click the link, you see a login form, you smile. You tell yourself, I got this. Fast forward 6 hours, and you're reverse engineering a cursed binary that speaks in Morse code and executes shell code if you breathe too hard. You haven't seen sunlight in 2 days, and your browser has more tabs open than you have functioning brain cells left. But let's rewind. It all begins with confidence. The glorious recon phase. This is where you feel like an actual hacker. You run nmap, ports start popping up. 22, SSH, 80, web server. Easy peasy. GoBuster gives you a hidden admin login page, Nikto throws some warnings, and you're already fantasizing about dropping the flag like a mic and walking away. You say things like, bro, this is free points, give me 30 minutes, or I've done this in sleep mode. The calm before the storm. You've got this. Until you don't. Because that login page, it doesn't actually have a form. It's a single-page app coded by someone who hates humanity. The HTML is empty. The JS is obfuscated with variable names like 0x4 AA2B8. You inspect element, and it's like trying to read encrypted squirrel language. You open the console, and it prints nice try, and then deletes itself. This is where reality hits. You're no longer confident. You're confused. The flags are gone. The vibes are bad. Welcome to stage 2, confusion. This is the moment you go from confident hacker to medieval alchemist. You're decoding hex dumps with CyberChef, trying to identify if this base 64 has been double encoded, reversed, then morphed into ancient Egyptian. You ask yourself, wait, is this Morse? You check the file type. It says application/octet stream. That helps absolutely no one. You start Googling weird CTF encoding, hoping someone else has suffered before you. Now we're in the rabbit hole. It's 2 a.m. You're still here. Everyone else in your house is asleep. But not you. You've got ghidra open and you're reverse engineering a binary you downloaded off the server. The comments are in Cyrillic. The strings are XORed with a 7-bit key. The function names look like someone headbutted the keyboard. You haven't eaten, you haven't blinked, your cat is concerned. You find a function named validate flag and you get excited. This is it. You start tracing the logic. It's a buffer overflow. Maybe. Or is it a format string vulnerability? Or both. Why not? And then the existential crisis hits. Why are you doing this? You open the hint file. It says, try harder. You scream again. You try harder. You fail harder. You've now developed a strong emotional bond with the terminal. You're in a one-sided relationship with ghidra. You start hallucinating flags in your wallpaper. You dream in hex. But then, miracle of miracles, you find it. The flag. It's real. You submit it. It works. You scream again, this time in victory. You run around the room. You high-five your cat. Your terminal becomes a shrine. You are reborn. You feel unstoppable. You feel like your neurons were doing push-ups the whole time, until you look at the scoreboard and realize that flag was worth 50 points and you're still in 12th place. It doesn't matter, because it was never about the points. It was about the pain, the suffering, the adrenaline, the emotional collapse, the rebirth. And yes, you'll do it all again next weekend, because someone will say, hey, new CTF just dropped. Web challenge looks easy. And just like that, you're back. But maybe this time, you're not just chasing flags. Maybe this time, you're learning how to turn all that chaos, the sleepless nights, the hex dumps, the rabbit holes, into something that pays. That's what we're building inside CyberFlow's Academy. A space where hackers stop grinding blindly and start moving with purpose. Real exploits, real guidance, real results. Because if you're going to suffer for this, you might as well get paid too. Some members have made back their investment in weeks. Others have turned hacking into a full-time job. Click below, get inside, and start making hacking pay.